Welcome back to my channel and don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Today we are going to study the subject Maths of Standard 6. The first chapter, Basic Concept in Geometry. Under that we solve the practice set 1. Today we solve the practice set 1. First question is, look at the figure alongside and name the following. We have to given this figure and we have solved the questions. First is collinear points. You know that the collinear points means the 3 or more than points which lie on a single straight line. So write which points are lie on a single line. Point M, O, T. So write down points M, O, T are the collinear points. Also you have to see point R, point O and N are lie on a single straight line. So points R, O, N are the collinear points. Okay, let's solve rays. Which are the rays in this figure? Rays ON, rays OT, rays OS, rays OR, rays OM. So write down rays OP, rays ON, rays OT, rays OS, rays OR, rays OM. Third question is, line segment. Write down the line segment. Segment MT. Segment RN. Segment OP. Segment ON. Segment OT. Segment OS. Segment OR. Segment OM. Okay. Next is lines. Which are the lines? Line MT and line RN. So write down line and line RN. The second question is, write the different names of the lines in the given figure. You have to given the line L. So you have to write down the names of the lines. So write down the answer. Line L. This is the line L. Now line A, B. Line AC. Line AD. Line BC. Line BD. Line CD. Solve the question number 3. Match the following. We have to given figures and you have to match this rays, plane, line and line segment. The first is, what is this? This is line. So you have to match the pair line. Second is, what is this? This is the line segment. So you have to match the pair line segment. What is this? This is plane. So, and what is this? This is ray. Let's solve the question number 4. Observe the figure given below and name parallel lines, concurrent lines and point of concurrence. First, we have to solve the parallel lines. Which are the parallel lines in this figure? So, line B and line M and line Q are the parallel to each other. So, write down line B parallel to line M parallel to line Q. Okay, this is the sign of parallel. Okay, next line A parallel to line P. So write down and line A parallel to line P. Okay, next solve concurrent lines. Which are the concurrent lines? The line passing through the one single points. Which are the lines? Line A. Write down line A. Line B. Line C. These are the concurrent lines. And line AC. Are the concurrent lines. Okay. Next, see this line P, line Q and line AC. These are the concurrent lines which are passing to the point D. Okay, next is point of concurrence. Point of concurrence means the point which the common points in which the many lines are passed through that point. So you have to see the point A. There are the many lines passing to the point A and point D. These are the lines which are passing through the points D. So these are the point of concurrence. Point A and point D. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to share, subscribe and like.